Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Gabrielle. I hope that you are doing well today. Here is a little before and after transformation video that I think will inspire you. So recently I picked this up from our Buy Nothing community page and it was needing some work. The person that posted it shared these photos and was very open about it needing some cleaning. So I was very thankful that I could utilize this chair, but I also want to fix this up in the process. So one thing that I want to suggest is you want to prep your surface. There was dog hair on here, so make sure that you clean whatever surface before you apply this cleaning. So my little one wanted to help me, and he is always right next to me. So I also had to use a lint roller because the vacuum just was not doing enough. I think it was also because it died on me, but a little man wanted to get in on the action and he was quite helpful in this task. I used the Oxi Clean stain remover and I made sure I was spraying in excess in the areas that were needing major cleanings. I let it sit and soak in for a bit before I started the next step, which was going to be brushing. You are going to want to brush the area that you sprayed rigorously, but also you are going to want to use a soft brush. This brush is very soft. It looks like a toothbrush. It came with a cooking appliance that I use, so I just was brushing my little heart's content and I was seeing some progress, but at the same time it's wet, so you couldn't really see what the effects were going to be. But I was really happy that I had a soft brush to use. So I don't have a little green Bissel. All I used was a dry rag and just scrubbed as hard as I could to get all the liquid from the Oxi Clean off of the couch, and I was gonna have to wait for it to dry overnight. That's the only dilemma with this. If you don't have the green Bissel, then this is the next best thing and it will work, and it's a lot cheaper, so you don't have to go out and spend the money for that machine. So I think it looks pretty nice. I just resprayed because that area needs to get done. And then that looks like it's sturdy still, but maybe some more right here. But it's a way cleaner than yesterday. My son wanted to help me, so I let him do his thing. And it is now one of our favorite chairs to sit in. Very happy with how it turned out. I hope this video helps you out, and until next time, y'all have a good one.
That's a nice